Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To replace the full beam and the satellite light bulbs, remove the grille side cap by rotating it a quarter turn to the left. To change the H7 full beam bulb, take the black terminal cable and pull on it. To remove the bulb, you must simultaneously push inwards and pull to the right. This will free the hook from the holding spur. Pivot the hook downwards, then remove the bulb.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.
Take the new bulb. When putting the new bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then move the metal clip back up. Reattach the connector. To replace the light bulb on the side lights, we advise using Needlenose pliers. Take the black power terminal and pull on it. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new one into the plastic base, then insert the whole thing into the headlight. Put the light cap cover, pivoting it a quarter turn to the right. To replace the H7 tipped beam light bulbs, grab the light bulb connector and extract it. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new one in the plastic base, then insert the whole thing into the headlight. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.